Toyota RAV4 has been America's best-selling SUV for the past 3 years, and its amazing performance and bold looks make it easy to see why. And for 2021, that winning formula is fleshed out even further with a new grade, the XLE Premium Hybrid. Not to mention, this year welcomes the all-new RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid, with its optional EV-only driving and the second quickest acceleration time in the entire Toyota lineup. So let's find out more about why RAV4 continues to lead its segment. Designed on Toyota's TNGA platform, this fifth-generation RAV4 offers a refined driving experience suited to both everyday travel and trailblazing adventures. There are now 13 different RAV4 grades, 5 of which feature Toyota's hybrid powertrain technology, and 2 of which showcase the latest plug-in hybrid technology. Each grade offers a different take on the RAV4 experience so that everyone can find the vehicle that fits their lifestyle. Popular grades like LE and XLE round out the core RAV4 lineup, while the limited grade represents the top tier for both hybrid and non-hybrid versions. Meanwhile, RAV4's hybrid options have expanded to include a new XLE Premium Hybrid grade that bridges the gap between XLE Hybrid and Limited Hybrid. And finally, the new RAV4 Prime is offered in a sporty SE and fully loaded XSE grade. But regardless of grade, RAV4 Hybrid and RAV4 Prime both offer impressive fuel economy, fewer trips to the pump, and, of course, no need to plug in, unless you want to enjoy Prime's EV-only range. So whether you're tackling a long and winding back road with XSE Hybrid or a dusty trail with the Adventure grade, this RAV4 is built to handle nearly anything in its path. RAV4 boasts a sporty appearance thanks to its low and wide dimensions, as well as a long wheelbase that helps the vehicle achieve an unmistakably athletic stance. Its exterior can vary noticeably depending on the grade, with an available two-tone paint scheme on select models, exclusive black accents on XSE Hybrid, and super chrome finished alloy wheels on select models, including the new XLE Premium Hybrid. Plus, RAV4 Prime XSE can be equipped with an adaptive front headlight system that adjusts automatically to light the road ahead. And it also comes standard with 19-inch two-tone machined alloy wheels, the largest ever offered on a hybrid electric RAV4. Additionally, TRD Off-Road also offers its own aggressive flair through matte black alloy wheels and LED fog lights. RAV4's exterior isn't all about looks though, which is obvious in standard convenience features like roof rails and folding side mirrors, and available features like the smart key system and power liftgate, both of which come standard on the new XLE Premium Hybrid. Inside, RAV4 strikes a perfect balance between convenience and comfort. This can be seen in its available dual-zone climate control system and available vents for rear occupants, a center console with spacious storage, 60/40 split folding and reclining rear seats, as well as available heated front and rear seats and ventilated front seats. And like its gas engine counterpart, the new XLE Premium Hybrid and RAV4 Prime XSE features standard Softex trimmed seating and a power moonroof, while select models and packages take it a step further with an available power panoramic glass roof. Meanwhile, TRD Off-Road provides added style through its sporty interior accents, including TRD all-weather floor mats and bold red stitching. While RAV4's stylish approach has certainly made its way into the interior, it's the modern technology that takes center stage. RAV4 features Toyota's audio multimedia system with a 7 or 8-inch touchscreen display, while RAV4 Prime XSE comes standard with a 9-inch audio multimedia touchscreen, which is the largest ever for RAV4. And all RAV4 grades include standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's a 3-month SiriusXM All-Access trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country. And when paired with the available JBL sound system, RAV4 will have no problem soundtracking that next big adventure. RAV4 also keeps everyone connected with its full line of available connected services, including trials for Remote Connect, Service Connect, and the standard Safety Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. True to Toyota form, RAV4 is loaded with modern safety tech. Key among these is Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, an advanced bundle of active safety systems that includes a pre-collision system and lane departure alert, as well as lane tracing assist and road sign assist. RAV4 also features the STAR safety system, 8 airbags, an available blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert system, available front and rear parking assist, and an available digital rear view mirror on select models that helps drivers see more of what's behind them. Finally, RAV4 Prime can also be equipped with a bird's eye view with perimeter scan to help drivers notice those hard-to-see objects. RAV4 has plenty of performance to match its high-tech features, starting with a powerful 2.5-liter engine under the hood. And now, RAV4 Prime takes plug-in hybrid performance to new heights, with a hybrid electric powertrain that produces 302 combined net horsepower, a massive 83 horsepower jump over RAV4 Hybrid. It's the fastest RAV4 ever, with a projected 0 to 60 acceleration of just 5.7 seconds. Not to mention, since it's a plug-in hybrid, RAV4 Prime also has an EPA-estimated 42-mile EV-only range rating. Plus, with 3 all-wheel drive systems to choose from, RAV4 can hit the trails like never before. These systems include the base all-wheel drive found on the core gas grades, the dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive with rear driveline disconnect, available on limited and standard on adventure and TRD off-road grades, and the electric on-demand all-wheel drive standard on hybrid and plug-in hybrid models. A perfect showcase for what a hybrid powertrain is truly capable of. Finally, all-wheel drive equipped gas models feature Toyota's multi-terrain select system, which allows drivers to choose a preset that helps maximize traction in snow, sand, and other challenging environments. And to that end, the TRD off-road grade includes additional terrain tackling goodies, like aggressive off-road inspired tires developed by Falcon specifically for RAV4, and a new for 21 TRD stamped stainless steel front skid plate. In summary, it's clear that this feature-packed SUV delivers more and more value each year. And while its different grades each have their own unique personality, they're all more than capable of handling twists and turns along the journey. That's why XLE Premium Hybrid still feels right at home on backcountry dirt roads, and why TRD Off-Road is perfectly capable of running everyday city errands. And for something even more electrifying, the new RAV4 Prime brings untold innovation to the plug-in hybrid electric SUV segment, with its winning combo of performance, capability, and efficiency. Now factor in Toyota's reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, its famously strong long-term cost estimates, the 2-year Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance, as well as exceptional hybrid warranty coverage like the 10-year 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. And RAV4's value proposition is hard to beat.